Hi, I'm Debbie from Simply Special Crafts. Earlier today I promised you that we were going to give you a quick video tour of the new sets 3 and 4, so that's what we're going to do now. Okay, Britt just, Teddy's playing with the pop-up below the table here, so we'll just talk around him. He's pretty sure every empty pop bottle's his. Brittany just finished putting these together last night, so we'll take a quick video tour of what you get in this kit. Okay, first, we of course have foam squares. Each kit is going to have, whoops, very well die cut. Every kit is going to have 2 sheets of hunky-dory sentiments. 1 in gold and 1 in silver. This is kit 3, by the way, that we're looking at. Of course, we'll have envelopes to match all of our cards. We thought it might be fun to have some colored cards this time, so we put in 4 colored cards. The colors will vary from kit to kit. We put in some pearlescent envelopes, some pearl cards. You'll see that there are both ivory and what's called ecru in here, so 2 each of those cards. That's a total of 8. Some more white envelopes to go with those colored cards, and then I don't know if it will pick up on camera. I think it will. These are white pearlescent cards. You get 2 of those. You get 2 of the silver glittered cards. So how many cards are we giving you here? 4, 8. I guess we're giving you 12 cards this time. She included 1 sheet each of 2 different colors of stickers. We have, this time, we have larger corners, the smaller corners, and then 3 different border styles in each gold and silver. She gave you some background paper, some 8x8 background papers, so we can create some of our own backgrounds. We have a sheet of 3D punch-outs, a beautifully foiled set. Teddy's still going to be heard here, guys. No matter what I do, he's going to insist on being heard. Beautiful foiled punch-outs in 3D. One of those gorgeous sheets of Dufix flowers in the metallic tones. That's 3. Another set of punch-outs. That's 4. Another set is 5. Look at those. They're just stunning. 6. 7. So 8 sets of punch-outs. And once again, I tossed in a complimentary half sheet of tiny words and phrases. So this is really, I think, the first kits were rich. I think this may even be slightly richer than what we had the first time, but the price is going to be the same. And these are really popular, as you saw. These sold out in hours. Kit 1 did, and Kit 2 sold out within a couple of days. So don't hesitate if you want these. That was kit set number 3. Let's look at set 4 here. Really, I want to. Am I trying? Oh, there it is. There was a sealed envelope behind it. I was trying to rip the envelope in the wrong place. Okay, let's see what we have in this one. Once again, you get 2 sheets of stickers. The colors will vary, but you do get a gold and a silver. These are, I said stickers, these are the greetings by Hunky Dory. Sheet of foam squares. There's 4 envelopes right there. Half sheet of those complimentary stickers and the tiny words and phrases. Once again, now this time we have slightly different stickers. Look at these. These are fun. I'm not sure which one you can see easier. Maybe the gold. May not be able to see either one of them. I don't know. We've got corners down the side. Then we've got these fun little accent stickers. You've got a heart, a flower, a star, and then these repeat, but these are all individual stickers, I believe. So little accent stickers. Then you have a row of flower border stickers, and then you have some other borders. So lots of fun and interesting things to try with this one. Colored cards, again, the colors are going to vary from kit to kit, guys, but we included 4 colored cards. You have such a variety of flowers in this kit that I think you won't have any trouble at all matching the colored cards to one of your toppers. We've got the ivory and ecru pearlescent cards. We've got, once again, she included the pearlescent white cards, and she included silver glitter cards and envelopes. This time we just have a couple of pieces of background paper because we actually put a big and beautiful kit in this one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, here it is right here. Here's one of the big and beautiful ones. And it has some more sentiments on it. It's got the 3D topper and it's got a piece of backer paper. So that's one sheet. Here's our second. Here's our very, very pretty gold foiled sheet. We've got one of our defect sheets, 3. Look at that. I love those hearts. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you should be able to get from these, let's think about this, 22 to 24 cards, depending on which of the 2 that you buy. From kit 3, you should be able to complete a total, you have the cards and envelopes, you have 12 cards and envelopes, but you should be able to complete a total of 22 cards. No, 24 cards from set 3. Set 4, because it has the big and beautiful set in it, you'll get a total of 22 cards from this. And once again, we're supplying 12 cards and envelopes with this kit, as well as your stickers and 3D and everything. It's a big, beautiful, pretty all-inclusive kit. You'll need some tape to put your cards together, a pair of scissors, and maybe a trimmer, and that's going to be about the extent of it. So I hope you enjoyed this little preview. We'll put these cards out there in a few minutes and have fun.